Bench testing in 1959, 1960, 1961, 1962, Delco Rochester, 4-mounting grommet, 3-speed wiper motor, end cap assembly number 504492, serial number WM11182025, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park position. Test number 2, medium speed run, then to park position. Test number 3, high speed run, then to park position. Test number 4, low speed run, wash, then to park position. Test number 5, medium speed run, wash, then to park position. And test number 6, high speed run, wash, then to park position. Test number 1, low speed. Park position. Test number 2, medium speed. Low speed. Medium speed. Back to low speed. And park. Test number 3, high speed run, then the park position. Low speed. Medium speed. And high speed. Back to medium speed. Low speed. And park. Test number 4, low speed run, wash, and then the park position. Low speed. Wash. Back to park position. Low speed wash. And park. Test number 5, medium speed run, wash, then to park position. Low speed, medium speed, wash, again wash, medium speed, low speed, wash, and park. Test number 6, high speed run, wash, then to park position. Low speed, wash, medium speed, wash, high speed, wash, high speed wash, medium speed, low speed, and park.